Now that you've learned how to set recordings, we're going to show you how to play them and also how to manage your series recordings. To access your recordings from the on-screen program guide, press the back button on your Amazon remote to open the menu navigation bar at the top of the screen. From here, press the left or right side of your remote ring until you have highlighted Recordings. Then you can scroll up or down using the top or bottom of your remote ring. There you will see Current Recordings, Future Recordings, and Series Rules. To play programs that have already been recorded, highlight Current Recordings and scroll through them by pressing the left or right side of your Amazon remote ring. Once you have found a program or program series that you would like to watch, press the center of your remote ring. If it is just one program, press the top or bottom of your remote ring to highlight Watch, and then press the center of your remote ring to watch the program. If you started watching the program earlier, you will have the option to resume where you left off or to start over with the program. If the program is part of a series of recorded programs, there will be a list of series programs that you can scroll through that includes the record date. Highlight the one you want to watch and press the center of your remote ring and follow the same instructions for playing a single program. And that's all there is to it. The recording program feature puts you in control so that you can watch TV when you want to watch it.